Welcome to Flamingo app. In this video, we'll show you how to use the new powerful AI cleanup feature. Please note that in order to use this feature, you need to first create an account. Save your recording. Now, go to the Files section. You will notice that the case is syncing to the cloud. Once synchronization is completed, the case will be displayed with a checked cloud symbol. Select the video you want to edit. The editing toolbar will appear. The AI cleanup button will only become active after the recording has been successfully uploaded to the cloud and processed. Please allow some time depending on the length of the file. Once completed, the AI cleanup button becomes active. Press it to start. Flamingo's AI will analyze the footage, identifying and marking unnecessary segments for removal, leaving only the important parts. Segments for removal will be indicated with blue dots, while the relevant sections will be displayed with a solid blue bar. You can now manage the cleaned up video. Checking the preview box lets you play only the chosen segments. You can also make manual edits with the scissors tool. Click and drag your mouse to move start and end points. You can click the trash icon to restore all the segments suggested for removal. This will restore the original timeline bar with no segments marked for removal. For your convenience, you can adjust the timeline view by using the plus and minus symbols to zoom in or out. When you're ready, click Export. Choose the name and path to save the video. You can choose to export the original video quickly or apply your AI edits and stabilization. The second option may take longer depending on the length of the video.